Welcome back, guys, to another episode. So today we're going to be doing something new that I've never done, but I came to the idea and I was like, whoa. So we're doing cheesesteak burgers. Yep, you heard it right. Cheesesteak burgers. That's how we roll around here. So I'm going to try it. One thing is I thought I had onions, but I didn't. Sorry, I know you guys like onions, but you guys are more than welcome to add it. So let's go ahead and fire up this Blackstone. All right, our grill is ready. And so here is our cheese steak that we're using that I did is really damn good. The steak for that. This is a top sirloin. This is a ground sirloin beef patty from Costco that it's really damn good. And you guys need to try this. I'm going to put both of them at the same time. There we go, not too much. Cheese that we're going to be adding is provolone, and a little some for the steak when it's ready. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to mix some jalapenos. Oh yeah. Also, the bread we're going to be using is a Kaiser Premium bun. Yep, that's one of our favorites. Add some more seasoning. There we go, a little dab. In the past, I wasn't too much of a cheesecake person, a cheesesteak sandwich person, because I never tried them. But I don't know, lately I've tried them and they look pretty good and they tasted pretty good. So now I'm thinking outside the box. Not quite yet ready. There it is. Pulls apart now. I'm telling you guys need to try this. It's at Walmart, and there's 4 per pack. In a box there's 4, and they're about $7 around there. So it ain't too bad. I like them. And I know Costco have their own version, but they're always sold out. So that's a good sign, I guess. And these are already seasoned, so we don't need to add seasoning on this. Let's go ahead and add our jalapenos. That's good enough. That's going to give that extra spice to these guys. That's going to make it really good. Because you know how we roll up here in beginners. We got a side because we're going to need the dome for this. The good old dome for melting cheese. Wonder how this is going to taste. I'm excited. I can smell the jalapenos. I smell them. So let's go ahead and add our provolone to these. Make them nice and cheesy, guys. Hell yeah. That burger looks like it's ready. It's going to also have provolone. It's going to be a cheesy sandwich. Go ahead and add ours. Go ahead and warm up our bun. So I don't really even know what to add on this, mayonnaise or anything like that. So I'm just going to keep it simple for today. You guys can comment on what do you think will go good. What else will go good on this? Lettuce, all that good stuff, or just keep it plain. I'm going to keep it plain because it's my first time and I don't know what to expect. Look at that. Look at that, nice. So, here we go, guys. We're about to bring this in here, just like that. Gotta get those jalapenos. Look at that. And there you go. Oof, let's try this. Alright guys, here we have it, and look at this delicious cheesesteak burger. Let's try it. Get out of here. Wow. You just gotta try that. Yeah, I taste the jalapenos. The heat of those. Whew. What we gonna do? You guys need to try this. You should hit the like. Check out these videos. I will see you guys next time.